every one of the subjects you're doing is either using English or math. And it's either having a lot of English or a lot of math. Now, which ones have a lot of English? Which ones have a lot of language? Which of the courses? Social studies, Arabic, what? Career tech, creative arts. What? Which one has a lot of math? ICT, okay. Now which one has like half math, half social, career technology, science. Now this Venn diagram that you are drawing is different for everybody. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. This is what I want you to do. So the first circle will be a math related, right? A subject that have more math, okay, or number. Let's use number. So we're going to do number and alphabets. So one circle, name it alphabet. That's A. Normally, A, which stands for what? The alphabet, and capital. Run a capital. And then B on the other circle. B, we said B, what's it? N. Standing for number. Capital N. Alphabet and what? Number. So the subjects, all the 10 subjects, right now we have reduced it to 2 key subjects. So one, number related subjects, and what? Alphabet related subjects. Now I want you to, everybody's own will be different. I want you to write in the region for A only. I think you know A only. And the N only, yes. Now, the ones that relate more of alphabet, write it there, okay? And the ones that relate more of number, write it here. And the one that is 50-50, write it in the middle, okay? Do you get it? So the Venn diagram, the ones that are more alphabet related, write it here. More, the ones that are more of number related, write it here.
The subject itself or number?
Excellent. The subject itself. So what you can do is that you can create a key, maybe mathematics and this, that. Let's create a key for it, okay? And then we place the letters inside of the book. Yes, you can. Are you with me? So we are creating, write all the 10 subjects you are doing and write a key for each one. Okay? Write all the 10 subjects. Who's this for?
Me.
Write all the 10 subjects underneath there, and then create a key with the maths and social this. Let's do that. So this is the exam that yes, here's a key. You know what the key is? A letter that will represent that. So for the 10, just spell it out and then give it a. Please, we want it documented well. Okay, headmistress and school authorities. We are looking at what you are doing, what impact we are having on you. So please, with the writing, let's stick to pen. Okay? Let's stick to pen work. What? No. Let's do it. You see, in the exam, this is what it's going to be. There's no pencil writing before exam. It's writing in pen. So we broke it down to alphabet and numbers. So G French, where do you think we put it? Is it more of an alphabet? Yes, more of an alphabet related. Please, I beg you, the way you are documenting is the first score the examiner will give you. So extremely important. So let's have you can put it there. I think if it's challenging, let's put it there. Let's do something. We want everybody. And please, the diagram, I will beg you, let's get, have a rule here. Let's get a very decent diagram for the school officials, okay? What we are doing is exam preparation. The examiner will not give you any score for this diagram. This diagram, you don't get any score for that. This too is a bit too, you understand? You can get a point neatly, but yours is okay. Some of them, you can use your free hand, but you have to be careful. If it's good enough, it's okay. But if it's just too shabby, you wouldn't get a score if you are doing that in an exam. So remember, everything you are doing it as if this is the final exam you are writing. Yes. Remember, this is just the initial class that introduces us. We are breaking it down. So the day you are going to write EC, one key thing that you carry is that you are just writing how many subjects. How many subjects? 2. So your skill level in knowing how to manipulate those 2 subjects will show in all the other subjects. Right? Will show in all the other
What
subjects.
is sense?
Does it make you feel a
What
little
is sense
better?
thing? The one who was it?
Does it make you feel a little
The
better?
key.
Yes,
Wrangle.
it does. So if you are preparing well in relation to your words, it will show.
The key.
It will show
So
in
when you
all
see him
the-
around, tell him that the people who are doing the program, they wanted to see. Okay. So when you
So are
see
we
him,
done? So please, if you're done now, fill in the one you feel is more alphabet. This one nobody is correct or wrong. Yeah. Yes, good. So you put the letters that you assigned, right, inside it. Just write it smaller. Just for you to be aware. Just for you to be aware. So on the day that you enter the exam room, remember the exam pen.
So you count how many years you write?
Just the one that you feel maybe social studies is having more related to alphabet related subjects. You just write with S. No, the key you give it should be something that you can recognize. I see A and you have already categorized it here. So write the letter, maybe social studies S, career, you understand, science C. So you write them inside. So put them in bracket, put a unique letter that represents that, and then put them inside. Okay? Just maths, M, science, S, C, like just So good, you are done writing the subjects. So let's read a key. So what symbol will you use for social studies? Let's write it down. What symbol, a unique symbol for social studies? Yes, just put it inside. So the Venn diagram relates to putting subjects that are alphabet related, okay, inside. So social studies, is it number or alphabet or is